In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated gradient text in Canva. You'll find this technique is not only fun, but also a great way to add a dynamic flair to your designs. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your web browser and head over to Canva's website. If you haven't already, log into your account by clicking on Continue and selecting the appropriate option to sign in. You can use your Google account for a quick login. Once you're signed in, open the project where you want to create your animated text. You can start a new design if you prefer by selecting a canvas size that suits your project. Next, locate the Apps section in Canva's side panel. This is where you can access a variety of tools and integrations that Canva offers. In the search bar, type in Text Gradient and hit Enter. This tool is specifically built to help you apply gradient effects to your text easily. Now, click to open the Text Gradient app, and you'll see a tool interface where you can type the text you wish to use. This is where your creative expression begins. After entering your desired text, browse through the selection of gradient styles and choose the one that best fits your theme or aesthetic preferences. Once you've made your selection, click on Add to Design, and it'll appear on your canvas. After placing your text on the canvas, you might need to adjust its positioning or alignment. Right-click on the text and select Duplicate to create a replica of your gradient text. This step is essential for creating a layered effect. Now adjust this duplicated text element separately. For the duplicated text, go ahead and change all gradient colors to white. This helps create a backing effect that will enhance the visibility of the gradient colors in the original text layer. Once you've adjusted the white gradient, click Update element to apply changes. Right-click on the newly made white text, and under the Layer options, select Send to Back. This ensures the original colored gradient text remains on the front and visible. Align both text layers for a polished look. Click on the colored text to bring it to the fore. Now let's get creative with movement. Select the colored text and click on Animate from the top menu. Canva provides a variety of animation options. Pick one that complements your design goal. Finally, to control how your animation plays, adjust the duration settings to suit your needs. You can experiment with a shorter or longer duration until it feels right for your project. And there you have it. Your animated gradient text is all set to make your design truly pop. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you found this step-by-step guide easy to follow and that it opened up new creative possibilities for your Canva projects. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Have fun designing!